Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I done a review here a while back of an ice maker from VECYS, like this one here. This is a newer model. This is, they call it the upgraded version. I think the other one was model 1209. This is a model 1212. It does run off 110, 120 volts. You just dump your bottles of water in there, or take a gallon jug, dump water in there, fill it up, whatever. Produces ice in just a few minutes and actually worked really good. So this is a new upgraded version. I think it has a bigger sight window. There's different color options, so I thought I'll do a short review of this thing and see if it works as good as the other one. I'm sure it will. So let's take this thing out of the box and see what's in it. I've already opened the top here, but I didn't actually take the thing out yet. So let's have a instruction manual. And it looks like I'm going to have to turn the box up here to get it out. So it looks like they've done a good job of protecting it while shipping. You can put some plastic corners on here because how that foam gets broke a lot of times. This one is a blue, an aqua blue model. It shows here on the box you can get it in black, aqua blue, apple red, or champagne colors. And this is the aqua blue, which it actually does look pretty good. Looks like the top window, it may be a bigger window, but it is tinted. You probably can't even see in it from there. So it's a tinted plastic lens to view inside. And it has the same kind of a display on top here. On the back side here it has the fan. Has a big intake fan to keep this unit cool, because this actually does have a compressor inside. It's not just some cheap little unit. I mean, it actually has a compressor just like your big refrigerator or freezer does to run it. So that's why they work so good. You can take this thing, put it in your house if you don't have an ice maker in your fridge, set it on your countertop, plug it in, make ice, and just like 7 minutes it starts making ice. And you can take this in your RV camper on a trip. You could even run this off a portable power station. So it does say that it is IC1212, 115 volts, 60 hertz, rated power, 100 watt, rated current, 1.7 amp. So let's take this thing and plug it in, take the thing, open it up here and look inside. So as you can see on the inside, it looks pretty much like the other one did. It does have this little scoop for your ice. Get the tray to pop out of here. And then this scoop, we just untape this from here. Comes with that. It's got a little hook that it hangs on. You can keep it inside there. And this is what your ice basket is. So when it produces ice, it'll put it in this basket. You can take this and put it in your fridge or bag it up or whatever you want to do. So any water coming out of this thing, it does have a nice drain, like a silicone plug here on the bottom. Pull it out and you can drain any excess water out of it. And it does have got some paper stuck to it, looks like, but it does have some rubber feet on it, so it's non-slip on top of your countertop. And like I said, this version does have a tinted glass on top, which looks cool. And here is our cooling element. So what it does, it puts water onto these, they freeze and builds up ice on these. And then this little flipper here will flip the ice out over into our ice tray. Like that. Okay, looking down the side here, it says max right here. So this is our fill level, this little ledge right here. And our ice tray actually sits on top of that, so your ice is not in the water. So we need to put water in here. And if it's like the last one, it held about 3 of the regular water bottles. So we're going to put some water in here, turn it on, and see how long it takes to make ice. All right, so what we're going to do is just go ahead and dump a couple bottles in here for now. Now you could use tap water, or you could get water in a gallon jug, either one. That's the cool part about this for camping, is you just take it out, you can put water in it, plug it into a portable power station or to your RV, and you have nice fresh ice. Put our ice tray back in here now. Shut the lid down. Okay, on the top here it says ice full, so it's going to tell us when it's full of ice. And then our power indicator, and then add water. There's some indicators in here that tells us if we need water or if our ice is full. So we're going to go ahead and hit the power button and turn this on. And let's go ahead and time this thing, see how long it takes to make ice. So if you look right inside here, you can see the water coming in, and it's coming in around those stainless steel pegs right there. This is our flipper to flip the ice over in here when it gets done. It's filling up this little tray right here, and then it will start freezing ice on these pegs right here. If I can get it to focus. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. One thing I noticed about it is it really don't vibrate much, and it is pretty quiet. I can hear the little fan running, and I heard the compressor kick in, but it doesn't make much noise at all. So it's not silent, but it's real low decibels. Okay, I got some better lighting here so you can see the ice. You can probably see the ice now forming around those pegs. See how big around it's already getting? So one thing I've noticed about this one, the other one had a choice of small ice or large ice. You could push a button. This one here just says, of course, ice is full or power or add water. There's no choice of small or large ice that I can see. It does say on the features that it makes up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, produces 9 ice cubes every 7 to 9 minutes. The water tank capacity is 1.8 liters. The ice basket capacity is 1 pound. So they're actually getting pretty good size now. And as I said, it does not have a way to change the size small or large. I don't know why you would need that choice anyway. I mean, the fact of the matter is, you just need the ice cubes, and I would want the larger ones, or it's not that much difference. Here we go. So it must be getting ready to dump the ice. You see how it kind of warms them things up a little bit. They should drop off there, all 9 of them. And then it should flip them over here in a second into the ice basket. It's coming around here. How cool is that? Okay, so after the first dump, we're at 7 minutes and 20 seconds. And that's actually pretty fast to do that quick. And it's also right now it's filling up with ice again, so it's going for another round. We'll just watch and we'll see how long it takes to make a full basket of ice. Okay, we are done. 59 minutes is what it took. As you can see here, it shows ice full. And it just now shut off, the compressor shut off. And it is definitely full. So we got a full bin of ice. How cool is that? Of course, because I removed that, the little sensor here is not picking up the ice that's in it, so it's going to make more. But if we look down inside here, you can see how much water we got. And I actually had added another bottle, making it 3 bottles of water. And we're still about half full on the water, maybe. All right, guys, there we are. Got a scoop of ice there. Very cool, very nice ice maker. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up. Check out the link in the description below, and you can pick one of these up. This thing is go real handy in our RV. We thank you all for watching. Right on.